This is part 3 of the lesson or the sharing for creating interactive lessons or classroom using Bitmoji. Okay, what are we going to learn today? Okay, so today we're going to learn how to create an interactive lesson with an introduction, which is something like this. You can create a classroom with the board, okay, for the textbook and also the unit that you're going to teach. Okay, next you are going also to learn how to insert videos for lessons. Okay, like this. So we have a video here, and then you can give instructions. Okay, we're gonna move on. Then how to link websites, ebooks, and others for lesson. Okay, it is something like this. So you will give instruction, and then student will click to a page or a particular object as a link, and then they will be taken to that particular website. Okay, next how to insert audio for lessons. Okay, like this, how to insert maybe the audio from your textbook, and then students can listen. And next one, how to insert exercises for lessons. Okay, for this one you need to have exercises on other applications like this one, on Google Slides, or you can have Google Doc, Jamboard, and also uh, applications like Kahoot, Padlet, and so on. Okay, so we'll do exercises on other applications in another video. The first one, how to create this classroom. Well, first of all, let me start with a new slide. So on the new slide here, you can delete whatever you have, or you can keep it. Okay, so let me delete first. Okay, it's better to choose background, because if you choose background, it won't move. Okay, for example, let's try first. Insert image. Okay, let's search from the web. Okay, so you want something like classroom transparent. Okay, so you have a transparent classroom. For example, I'll choose this one. Okay, then insert. Okay, you can see the difference later on when I show you how to use it as a background. So if it's a classroom, sometimes you need to uh, stretch it a bit or put it in the middle. Okay, so this is a classroom that we have. Okay, so it's movable. Okay, let's do another one where you have the background. Okay, you can choose the image as a background. You have to go to Google search also. Let's search. So you say classroom transparent. Okay, so this is the same thing. Let's take this one and then insert it. So we are done. Click done. So you see the classroom there. So you can see the difference. Okay, just now we put it as image, so you can see it's movable, right? It's moving. So but if you put it as a background, okay, let me delete the text first. So you see it doesn't move. So when it doesn't move, it can prevent students from moving things from your slide. Okay, so this is again, okay, this is movable, but as a background it doesn't move. Okay, how to insert your Bitmoji. So as I've explained earlier in part 2, just click the Chrome extension here for Bitmoji. So if you can't access, yes, okay, it's here. If you can't access from here, you can use the extension symbol here, and then you can search for Bitmoji. Okay, let's say hi. We can say, okay, let's go for welcome to my class. Let's look at the emoji that will appear when you say welcome to my class. Is there anything? Okay, here. So we have, okay, for example, this one. Okay, so you can use this. Okay, just drag it out and put it into your slides. Okay, and then don't forget that if you want to move it, always press the control key, and then you can resize. Okay, so I'm pressing, so you can see here. Okay, so it doesn't distort the shape. Okay, let's put it here. Okay, so that's my class, and then you can insert text. So you can write, for example, we are doing, so let's make it smaller so it will be in the whiteboard. So we can say welcome. Okay, let's use case. Welcome to my class. Okay, so let's put it in the center, centralize it, and then you can control the size. Okay, so this is a book, and then this is the size. Okay, so you have welcome to my class. So you can continue from here, go down, you can write halves 2, then you put in the bracket form 1, and then you can put unit 1. Okay, so title is it's my, okay, so there we have the title. If you want to change welcome to my class, just maybe you want to change the font, so click on area here, you can change the font. For example, you want something a bit fancy. Okay, so we have this one. Okay, then you can make this bigger only, or you can change the color, so you can press here. Maybe you want something let's say red. Okay, so you have red. Okay, so welcome to my class. So today we are learning uh, unit 1 is my life from the past 2 textbook. Okay, so that is your introduction. Okay, the one that I showed earlier is a different uh, background. Okay, so but you see is the problem here, if I press it will move. You see it's moving, so it's better to set it as background. Okay, so let's look at this one. See, it moves. So to prevent this, you can take the whole thing here, and then you copy and then put it in the background. So this is paste. Okay, so it's there. Okay, so again, take the Bitmoji. Okay, let's use full figure. So type in POSE for full figure. So you have many here. So you can put in this one. Okay, so you drag. So it's creating image. So you have here, you can put this side. Okay, again, press the control key, and then you can resize. So this is bigger. Okay, so you can put it here on the floor. Okay, and then if you want it to be on the other side, just click the image and go to rotate, so you flip it horizontal. So yes, there's the change in the position. Okay, so that's how you create an introduction to your classroom. Okay, the next one we're going to look at how to insert video for a lesson. Okay, how to insert video. So this is an example. So you have watched this video and then you have the video here. Okay, let's open the new slide. Okay, I'll delete this one first. Okay, then if you want to have a background, okay, you can insert. Okay, I prefer to choose a background. So let's go for background. You can choose image. Then again, you go to Google Image. So there are other classroom here. So maybe you want just insert a table, just a table, okay? Or you want something else, you can scroll and find the picture that you like, okay, or the image that you like. So let's get this one. Maybe we'll continue with the same, or we'll take the green board, okay, or maybe I'll take the just an empty classroom. So I can insert here, done. So you're gonna have a table here, but this table looks a bit crooked, right? But you can move it because it's a background. Okay, so if you don't want that, you just undo with this arrow. Okay, let's find another background image. Okay, maybe we'll choose let's see, let's get this. Okay, it's an empty one. Okay, just a blackboard. Okay, you can have this for example, or if you don't want, you can just erase it and then let's go to background, or let's do the other way around. Okay, just insert here. Okay, find image, search the web. Okay, you can see the classroom here, they are nearly the same. Okay, if you don't want classroom, let's go to uh, television. Okay, let's go to television. So you can get picture of a television. Okay, let's enter again. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is a blue television, for example. Okay, you can insert, you can drag it or just insert with the icon here. Okay, so let's drag this. So let's put this a bit here. Okay, and let's have your avatar from Bitmoji. So let's click watch. Okay, so we have watch. Okay, so maybe you can use this one as watch. So drag it here. Okay, so you have watch. So you have to put this at this side because it's from here, and then you can click this a bit in the middle. Okay, you can make it smaller. If you don't want the word watch, you can choose another avatar or sticker. Okay, so example we have this. So you wanna insert a video. So let's look at video. So click video here. Okay, I repeat, cancel. Look at insert. Okay, then click video. So you can search. For example, you want about clothes. Okay, let's click clothes. Okay, so it's searching. So you can see there are some clothes here. Okay, so you can search and find suitable ones. Okay, I'll take this one. So select. So you can see the video is here. So let's fit it into the screen here. Maybe you pull it a bit, drag it, and then make it smaller so it will fit into the TV. Okay. Okay. So if you don't like this, you can delete it and choose another one. For example, let's have another avatar. Uh, okay. Let's choose this one. Okay. So put it here. So I'm going to change this. Okay, so this is again right click, so rotate, click horizontally. Okay, again I repeat, you can click here and you can change it whether you want to use rotate clockwise and so on. Okay, so it is here. So now the students can watch, or you want to put some space, so just click insert, then you have text. So click the text here. Okay, you can click and then you write here, watch this video. Okay, and you can give other instructions too. So again, highlight. Okay, make it bigger, bold, and then you can close the format here, and then close the search, and then go here where you have the, you can centralize it so it looks a bit nicer. Okay, so you have this. Okay, but this is still not nice. If you want a speech bubble, click again insert, then you go to shape, you have callouts, so use callout from here, it's easier. Just click a callout and then put it here, so it will be gray. So you can change the color. For example, you want it to be blue. Okay, but you can't see the writing, so again right click, go to order. Okay, then send to back. So when you send the call out to back, you can see the text. Okay, so for the call out, you can see a orange symbol here. This is where you can move the call out. Okay, so the call out will be pointing to you. Okay, you can arrange this, centralize it a bit. So there you have it. Watch this video. So as you click, the video will play. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, okay, so we have done how to insert a video. Next, we're going to move on to the third one, how to link websites or ebooks and other things for your lesson. So for example here, the instruction is click on the picture on the shelf. So read the comprehension passage on clothes and answer the 5 questions on the website. So there is a link here. If you click, you can see there is a link. Okay. So if I click, okay, it will lead me to a link. Okay, example how to do this. Let's open another empty slide. Okay, let's get rid of this. Okay, what do we want? Okay, we want for reading, right? So if we want for reading, let's say read. Okay, we have books here. So let's put the avatar first. So you have reading. Okay, so then you can put the instruction. You have done it earlier, so we can maybe use this one. Okay, just highlight and then press the control button, highlight and another highlight. Okay, so you have highlighted two. So copy, and then we're going to move on to the new slides and just put here paste. Okay, so there. Okay, then you can change, right? You can put instruction, uh, read the passage. Okay, how to read the passage? You can give extra information. For example, insert, then insert text. Okay, so you can put instructions like click on the maybe picture to read the comprehension message on, for example, let's say clothes. Okay, so we are done. So you can make it bigger, and then you can even the words. Okay, so this is done. So if you want to move this one again, control, sorry, click. Okay, control, then you click another one, so it will move together. Okay, so if you don't want this, okay, you can make it smaller. Okay, then we're done. So you can move this one up here. So the instruction is click on the picture to read the comprehension passage on clothes. Okay, I've already searched for a passage. The title, it is from excellentforyou.com, ESL on clothes reading. So you can see here there is a website. So the best thing to do will be just to use your laptop key, press PRTSC or print screen, and once you're done, okay, then you can paste here, right click paste here. So there you have the picture. Okay, so how to link? Open the link here. Before that, you have to copy the link. So let's copy the link here. Okay, copy. Then go back to this. So you have the link symbol here. Okay, once you have the link symbol, just put paste and then apply. So there is a link there. Okay, there is a link there. So we are done. So when students, okay, let's look at preview. So when students get your slide, so they just click and then it will lead them to a new page where you have the ESL clothes reading. So students can read this. For example, yes, clothes reading. Clothes are important, and this ESL clothes reading page has a reading comprehension passage and questions that will let you practice understanding clothes vocabulary. So as students read this, they will go down and read the passage. So this is a passage. After that, they can answer the clothes reading comprehension questions. So there are 5 questions here. And then they can check for their score. Okay, so that is how you link image to a particular website or to an ebook. Okay, so and then don't forget that you can change the title here according to the lesson or the unit you're teaching. Okay, the next one we're going to do how to insert audio for a lesson. Okay, inserting audio is very easy. Okay, let's look at this one. But make sure that your audio is in your Google Drive. Okay, so let's start a new one. So let's erase this one. Okay, and put your avatar from Bitmoji. Okay, let's put listen. So you have listen here. There are so many listen. Okay, let's take this one. Listen. So you have emoji for listening. Again, we can take from our earlier instructions from here. Again, click. Okay, then press control key and then click again and then right click, copy. Then you can go to here and paste. So you have your instructions. Example. Okay, you can click and then change to okay. For example, you can say listen to the audio by clicking the icon. Okay, for example, so remember, you can arrange the words properly, centralize them. Okay, so we are done. So go to insert. Now you have to insert the audio. So remember, your audio must be in the My Drive, shared drives, or shared with me or recent. So for example, I'll just choose one. Okay, for example, track 4. Then I select. So remember, you must first upload to your Google Drive. So for example, this is the one. So I'm going to put here. Then you can listen. Starting unit. Okay, so students can play. Okay, so that's how you put in your listening audio. Okay, so now we are going to move on to the next one, the last one, which is how to insert exercises for your lesson. Okay, to insert exercises for lesson, you have to prepare the exercises first, maybe on another Google slide, because the students they have to write answers, so it's better to choose other applications. Maybe you can use a Google form. Then you can link the Google form here. You can link a Google form. You can also link other applications like Quizzes, Kahoot, Padlet, and others. Okay, so I'm going to show you one example. this is how I link. Click on the picture to do the exercises. So there is a link here. If you check here, there is a link to another Google slide. So the students can do the exercises here. Okay, so this is link to an app. Okay, let's try this. Open a new slide. Okay, as usual, we can give instruction and then we take a Bitmoji. Okay, for example, we're going to do write. We're going to do writing. So let's put that. Let's choose this one. Okay, for writing. Okay, so we're gonna write. Again, you're gonna take the instruction from here. Click and then hold the Control key and another click and then right click, copy, and then go on to the new slide and then just paste. Okay, once you paste, you have this instruction. Maybe you're gonna put it here. Okay, so what you're gonna write is, for example, complete this exercise. Okay, you can see, click the picture, or if you don't want the picture, click the, okay, now I put picture of the Google form. Okay, so we have this. Okay, then we can make our call out bigger and then we can drag it here, put it like that. Okay, done. Okay, so you can find an image. Let's find on the web. Okay, let's find an image on the web. So now what do we want? We want Google form. So is there a Google form there or no? Okay, we have to have Google form icon example. Is there a Google form icon? Or do you just find the picture of exercise book example? Okay, so there is an exercise book here. We can search and for example, let's use this. Okay, let's take this and put it here. Okay, you can see that if you don't put the word transparent, you can have the background there. Also, let's try again. Transparent. Okay, so you get transparent, transparent book. Okay, so let's use this one. Let's find a, for example, you can search for example, if I have a Google form, I'll go to my drive. Okay, so let's see whether I have any form here. Or let's look at my drive and let's look at the form 2. So we have, for example, this is a Google Doc exercise. Okay, so you can use this Google Doc exercise. Okay, you can click it and then get shareable link. Once you get the shareable link, okay, so the link is there, just copy the link. Okay, now done. So you can go back to your slide and then again you can put the link here on the image. So you can link, paste, then don't forget to apply, or you can take another image, another link, similar link, and paste. Okay, so you are done. Okay, so when you open it up in presentation, okay, or when you give these slides to your student, so when they press here, then the exercise on the Google form will appear. So once they have this exercise. Okay, they're able to edit and do. Okay, and then don't forget, when you do this, make sure that uh, everybody or the students could edit. Okay, so how to use all this, I'll explain it in another video on how to use other applications. Okay, so let's go back to this. Let's stop the presentation, and then you can see here we have finished how to use Bitmoji in an interactive lesson or a classroom. Well, I hope you have learned how to make your lessons interesting for the pupils. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.